Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's solve this beautiful question together. We have 2 to the power of x plus 1 multiplied by 4 to the power of x minus 1 all over 8 to the power of x is equal to 16 to the power of x. And we're looking for the value of x in this equation, okay? Let's solve. This is solution. Now we can write 2 as 2 multiplied by 2. We can write 4 rather as 2 multiplied by 2, which will give us 2 squared, right? And for 8, you can write it as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, and that will give us 2 to the power of 3. So let's do this. So we have here to be 2 to the power of x plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2, which is going to give you 4, in bracket x minus 1 all over 2 to the power of 3 bracket x is equal to 16 to the power of x. Okay, and now for 16 we can write 16 as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which will give us 2 to the power of 4. Okay, so here we write here as 2 to the power of 4 bracket raised to power x. Okay, so we continue. We have 2 to the power of x plus 1 multiplied by, let's simplify this further, 2 to the power of 2x minus 2 all over 2 to the power of 3x. The powers are multiplying each other is equal to 2 to the power of 4x. Okay, now when you have something like a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, the same thing as saying a to the power of m plus n. Notice that their bases are the same, so we can add the powers together. So in this situation, we have base 2 and base 2, and we can add these powers up. Okay, now we now say this will now be 2 to the power of x plus 1 x plus 1 plus 2x minus 2 all over 2 to the power of 3x is equal to 2 to the power of 4x. All right, so now x plus 2x, let's add this first. We have x plus 1 plus 2x minus 2. So we collect the like terms. We now have, let's bring x to one side, x plus 2x plus 1 minus 2, that is 3x. 1 minus 2, that's minus 1. So we have 3x minus 1, right? So this now is 3 to the power of 3x minus 1, 2 to the power of 3x minus 1 over 2 to the power of 3x is equal to 2 to the power of 4x. Okay, now using the quotient rule, when you have something like a to the power of m over a to the power of n, you can write it as a to the power of m minus n. Now this is possible because of this division, but when it is a multiplication, it becomes an addition, but when it is a division, it becomes a subtraction. So now these two powers will subtract because we have base 2 and base 2. Okay, so here is now 2 to the power of 3x minus 1 minus 3x is equal to 2 to the power of 4x. All right, so this is 3x minus 3x is going to give us nothing. So we're now left with 2 to the power of minus 1 is equal to 2 to the power of 4 raised to power x. Now, bases are the same. That means powers can be equal to each other. So that means you have minus 1 is equal to 4x. Now divide both sides by, we're looking for the value of x, so we divide by 4. Divide here by 4, divide here by 4. 4 cancel here 1, 4 here 1. So we have that x is equal to minus 1 over 4 as our answer. All right, so this is our answer for x. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So let's do a verification very quickly and to see if this value for x is correct in this equation. Okay, so to verify, we have our x is equal to -1/4. So we're going to be plugging in the value of x in this place. So now we'll have 2 raised to the power of 1, that's -1/4, plus 1 multiplied by 4, which can be written as 2 to the power of 2. Now we have -1/4 minus 1. All right, all over 2 to the power of 3 raised to the power x, which is 8, is equal to 2 to the power of 4 raised to power -1/4. This is -1/4 that should be here. That's still raised to the power of -1/4. All right. So now let's solve this fraction that is an exponent here. So we have -1/4 plus 1. It's the same thing as saying 1 minus 1/4. Now, a trick to solving this type of fraction is when you have one whole number minus a fraction, you just do let the denominator subtract from the numerator, give us 3, then it becomes 3/4. So our value here is 3/4. So it's now 2 to the power of 3/4 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2. Now, -1/4 minus 1 is equal to one whole number, is equal to -1 whole number 1/4. So let's turn this to a mixed fraction. It's going to give us -5/4. All right, so that will have -5/4 here, raised to the power of -5/4. So I'm solving what is in the brackets first, okay? All over 2 raised to the power of -3, multiply the powers over 4. Is it equal to 4 can cancel 4, equal to 2 raised to the power -1. Okay, now let's work on this. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So now we have 2 raised to the power of 3/4 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of -5/2 all over 2 raised to the power of -3/4. Is it equal to 2 raised to the power of -1? Now, I said in the beginning of the video that when you have the same basis like this, the same base, you can actually write this as, now when you have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, the same thing as saying a to the power of m plus n. And when this becomes a division like this, it now becomes a to the power of m minus n. Now we see that we'll have multiplication and division here, but what we'll be doing now is to pick out the one base and manipulate the powers now, okay? So watch the way we do it. So now this becomes 2 to the power of 3/4 plus, now because we have a minus here, plus minus is going to give us minus. So we'll have -5/2. Now we want to bring out this exponent, okay? But in doing this, we have to make it a minus, a subtraction. So subtraction is going to give us plus. So we have plus 3/4. Now, is it equal to 2 raised to the power of -1? Okay, so now let's solve the fraction. We have 3/4 plus 3/4, yeah, minus 5/2 plus 3/4. Now, so look for the LCM. The LCM here is 4. 4 here, 4, 1, 3 times. 3 times 1, we have 3, minus 4 here into 2. We have 2. 2 times this, we have -10 plus 3. So this is 6 minus 10 is minus 7. Minus 7 plus 3 is -6. Okay, yeah, -7 plus 3. That's equal, that's the same thing as saying 3 minus 7. That's -4. That will have -4/4. So 4 here 1, 4 here 1. That means you have our value here to be minus 1. Now this goes to tell us that here is now 2 to the power of minus 1. Is it the same thing as this, which we have simplified earlier? Now you can see from this that this is the same thing as this. Our left hand side same as our right hand side. Therefore, the value of x to be minus 1 over 4 is correct. Bye bye. See you in my next video.